Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Asbik Syafaat. I'm from Flamingo class. I will make 20-minute video because I got punishment. The punishment is I must make 20-minute video about the first month on TC. Okay. Before I tell you about the first month on TC, before I joined TC, actually when I was the CTC, I always heard that TC is so busy. When I joined TC, that's real. TC is so busy, so many duty, and we must do any duty from teacher because when I was the CTC, we just have two teacher, that Miss Ola and Sir Adin. But in TC, we have 8 teacher and 4 lesson. For lesson, they are new concept, describing picture, speaking class, and then the last is grammar class. So I think in TC is so busy, so many duty. The first month we must prepare about our speech, and then our shadowing, and at the first month we must speech, and I have speech, but when I speech I spoke bahasa. So I get punishment. When the first month on TC, we would debate with our friend because the lesson is debate from speaking class. And then from grammar, I think I not to understand about grammar because when I was the CTC, I'm really understand, but when I TC, I am so confused because it's so different. When I was the TC, the teacher taught us with bahasa, but when I am the TC, the teacher taught us with English because we must try speak English. And the TC, we must speak English, no service. But when was the CTC, we can speak bahasa. So, but that's from us. We can be better if we do the rulers from TC. Okay? And then at the first month on TC, I think actually we not too busy, but we must prepare to the next month. Yes, like shadowing, what is that, speech, and so many. At the CTC, we have 8 teacher. They are Mom Atun and Miss Via from grammar class, Mr. Bayu and Mr. Budi from speaking class, Mr. Luhung and Mr. Rozak from new concept class, and the last is Mr. Fahmi and Mr. Sally from describing picture class. Describing picture class. Actually, I'm so confused. What must I say? Because the punishment is 20 minutes, so I will say about anything when I was first on the TC. Before when the first month, I think to speak English every day, every time, and everywhere is so difficult. But we must try, and we must confident with ourselves. We must promise with ourselves to speak English. Because of what? If we don't do that, when we will can speak English? So you must try. We must try. We must always speak English. And then if we don't and when I was the CTC, we can learn with MS. But when I am TC, we learn with LA. That's so different because when the CTC, one of MS can handle just 3 until 5 members, but in TC, LA must handle 1 class until 2 class. Wah, so different. At the first month, you must pay to buy any book because all of lesson have book. I will show you. This is LA book. LA book learning the first month we learn about what is that? The third education vocabulary is that. LA class teach we about listen when we was the CTC. And the second book is grammar book. On the first month, we learn about that using subject pronoun, using object pronoun, using whose and the noun of which, using whose and the noun. Actually, I'm so confused about this, but I always say to myself, I can do it like that. I will make the example from using object pronoun, like the passengers can hardly be evacuated, can they? The burning main clause, that main clause. This subclause, the burning plane is trapping them. We can use whom for the conjunction. The passengers whom the burning plane is trapping can hardly be evacuated, can they? Question tag. Or we can use who. The passengers who the burning plant is trapping can hardly be evacuated, can they? That. Until the first one we learn until relative pronoun that relative pronoun for adverb using where, when, and why. The last is why and first month. And now we have learned the kinds of adjective clause from grammar. The second book or the second lesson is what is that? New concept. This is not same like new concept CTC book. We know to remember all of the new concept like when we was CTC, but we must retelling, we must make conversation and anything else like this. I will show you. On chapter 18, we must make conversation with our friend. I made the conversation with my friend. His name is Fadil. Like that. Me Fadil. We must make 10 sentences from one person. That's that. And the first one, we learn new concept until chapter 20. Yes, 20. And we must prepare about micro teaching because our teacher, they are Mr. Rozak and Mr. Luhung said to us, you must prepare about all of listen from new concept. What have we learned? So you must prepare to make micro teaching about new concept. The duty on first month. The third book is describing picture. Describing picture. What is that? Describing picture. On the class have many picture and we must describe about the picture like this. But not just to learn about the picture, but when describing picture class, we learn about grammar, we learn about pronunciation, we learn about phonetic symbol. Yes, because when we make the describe about picture, we must make phonetic symbol from our describing. Like wait. Like this. So this is my describing and this is phonetic symbol. Yes, because when we at the TC, we so many learn about phonetic symbol, about pronunciation. Yeah, so we must write that like this. I will show you. There are 3 monkeys. These 3 monkeys. On the left, near us, there are a tiger. This tiger, like this. On the left, and a lion. On the right, there is a bear. Far away, there is an elephant further to the right. Like this. for describing picture. And speaking class, we don't have book, but we always in the morning we must therapy speaking. Like Mr. Bayu class, suddenly we must go in front of, go in front and check the what is that? Take the card and we can get the topic, random topic, and we must tell about that. Yesterday, last week, I get the topic about what is that? I got the topic about time. Yes, value of time. When I exclaim about that, I tell that time is money. We can buy anything with money, but I think money cannot. For money, we can buy clock, but for money we cannot buy time. Oh, yeah. We must speak. We must speak in front of our friend 1 until 2 minutes from Mr. Bayu, and we must speak directly, so we cannot prepare about our topic. We must make AD, we must make imagination. Wow, that's so challenging for me because I am always confused how to imagine about random topic. And the first month when Mr. Budi class, we learn about debate. Yeah, and every Friday on the first month we always debate. The first week we debate about cash and cashless, and I choose it cashless because of what? Because cashless is simpler than cash. We just scan and done. But when we use cash, we must wait for to pay back. Oh, I think that's so. What is that? Not simple. And then what? Yeah. When the LA class, we always get like this. Paper from the lesson. This morning I learned about direct indirect. So LA class teach us about the lesson when we was TC. Like this. This morning LA class talk us about direct indirect. Yeah. So because so many students forgot about the lesson when they were CTC. Me too. I think my experience on the first month is not too good because I not to understand, I not too serious. And the next month I am serious. I think That's all my punishment video. I'm sorry for anyone unblessing in your heart. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.